Have you heard about Shona bridal prices? Well, let me tell you a bit about it. Well, Shona bridal price is called Rora. This directly translates to dowry. And within the Shona culture, we say Kurora, Kuvaka, Hukama. This just directly means marrying is building relationships. But let's see if this process is actually building relationships. So, what happens during this dowry, this token of appreciation, is there's someone called the Munyai. This is the mediator. And in my previous videos, I have explained the various tokens of appreciations or payments the Munyai has to make in order to start the conversations. But now, actually, what happens when these conversations start? Well, the first fee is Makandinzwanani. This is basically the bride's family saying, how on earth did you hear about my daughter? How did you hear about my daughter? So you have to pay a token of appreciation because you investigated so well and found my daughter. Then after that, we have Kunonga. It literally means picking up. You know, the notion of picking up a bride or a woman. I don't particularly like it, but this is just a direct translation, and this is a fee you would pay to the bride's family for the bride, just a token of appreciation. Then the next is Matekinyandevu. Now this is interesting. This translates to playing with the father's beard. And you must be thinking, as a groom, playing with whose beard? No, it cannot be me. Well, basically, it's alluding to the fact that when the bride was young, she was playing with her father's beard, which is such a beautiful picture. So beautiful enough, you have to pay a token of appreciation because the father has consequently raised the daughter so well. But next we have Dare. This just means marriage council. This is where the phrase, you know, a child is raised by the village really comes from, because you have to pay a token of appreciation to the whole family for raising this beautiful woman. The next we have Kupinda Mumusha, entering the village. So now you have to pay a token of appreciation because you illegally entered this village. You're just courting. What are you doing at this place? And then lastly, we have Pasuru, groceries. I'm organizing this event. You're eating so much. You're enjoying so many things, but I actually need to be reimbursed. But wait, I'll send you the price for the groceries before the event even happens. So yeah, note to self, see what you actually get at the event. So does this process really build relationships? You tell me.